This is David Talbot. I'm a CTO at WorkMovr. And a lot of our clients have a need to clean up their Caspio accounts. They've been working with us and with other people for a long time. Some of them have several hundred data pages outstanding. And this is an example of some of the things we do. We've developed quite a few scripts that go through and check which data pages haven't been used for a long time, things like that. And here's an example. So we have here, different apps within the Caspio account, and they have a total of 349 data pages, of which at the moment only 81 were actually deployed and 268 were not deployed, which is pretty common. And so what we did, we changed the names prefix on that and exported those out to a holding file. So it just reduced the number of data pages that, the more you have as data pages, the more time you've got to spend thinking what they are and do you have to mess with them. So we immediately got the number of data pages down to 81, which were the deployed ones. And then we looked to see how many of those deployed data pages were actually being used. And we've got a script that runs the last used time and things like that on those data pages, which is not perfect, but is pretty good. And as we expected, some 30 of these data pages were not being used. And so what we did, we undeployed those data pages, and which actually in this particular case reduced the client's total cost a little bit, because the Caspio data pages are really valuable. So you want to put that resource where they're being used. And when a bunch of programmers, like including our programmers, they sometimes do a data page and they realize they could have done it in a better way, so they ignore and start again. And so that's why these old data pages clog up the system. And if you'd like, we can share our scripts that we use to find these data pages with any of the Caspio end users. And I think you'll find that you can clean up your Caspio system in just 3 or 4 hours pretty nicely. So thanks very much then. Bye-bye.